This is video 3 on a series of videos that I'm doing on how to use your planner to manage stress. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya and I'm so excited because I do videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're watching from Facebook, please be sure to hit that like button and please head on over to my Facebook page and be sure to follow and like me there. Following me is important because then you can be notified of when I put out another great, exciting planner video. If you're watching from YouTube, hi! Please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you are on Instagram, please be sure to follow me at Tonya_plans. Now, today's tip on stress management is this. Block dedicated time for your priorities. Block dedicated time for your priorities. This is my Franklin Cover Leather Aurora binder. And if you like this binder, you can find links to it in the description. And other items that you see in this video can be found in the description. So you can check out these beautiful planner items. So, today's tip is, as I said, to block time for your priorities. So what does that mean? Now, people do this various ways with blocking time. If there's something that you really need to get done and you just can't seem to find time to do it, blocking out a chunk of time to get something done is a great way to accomplish your priorities. And once you are able to block the time and actually able to work on what you block time for, you will find yourself less stressed because you actually have a plan to get done what you need to get done. So let's say you have to study you're in school and you have to study for an exam. Blocking time for studying is great. What is not a good strategy is say, oh, you know what, I'm going to study when I have time. Because sometimes if you don't dedicate time for something, the time never seems to happen or allow time for that activity. So I keep things really simple. This is my Franklin Covey Planner daily pages, and it is a day on 2 pages. And so in this format, over here we have a place where we can list our task list for the day. Down here is a daily tracker area, and over here is an appointment schedule. And I love this because it actually has the times over here to the left, and I'm able to block time out for what I want to do. So on this particular day, I had 2 things that I really wanted to do, which is to accomplish getting to a hair appointment and my daughter's volleyball game. So I just keep it simple where I just draw a block and to block out that time. And what I like is, because this section is set aside for time, my eyes kind of easily go over here and I can always kind of keep an eye on what I have to do. Now, if I have an appointment where someone's waiting on me I also will take a moment and schedule that time on my cell phone. So a little alarm will go off. I don't spend a lot of time doing a lot of time management activities on my phone. I find that my planner works best. It allows me to have white space and time to really think about what I want to do and what I want to accomplish. With a cell phone and other electronic items, I just find that there are too many notifications and distractions, and many times when I go on my phone to do one thing, I end up doing something else. So my planner is how I keep my stress level down and how I keep things simple. Another popular way that people use their planner to block time is they use stickers. And what I've seen is, like, for example, this is a weekly format planner pages. Now, I prefer the daily planner pages personally, but this is a weekly format where you have each day of the week that goes down in this way, it goes down vertically, and the time is over here to the left. So you're able to say, like, you can just block things on like a weekly basis. So let's say, for example, these are old planner pages. These days have already passed. So you may have something, Monday from 10 to 11, and you can block that. And then you can block on other days, other times for your priorities. Now, what's great about this is then you can take at a glance across. Now, this is the whole week on 2 pages. You can quickly turn to a weekly format and see what time you have, what free time you have for other activities. And this is a great visual aid so that you can plan and block off your priorities. Also, with this weekly format on the Franklin Covey weekly formats, at the bottom you have a section where you can list your tasks, where you can prioritize them over here and check them off as they're completed for each day. Now, what's very popular is that people will take a weekly format and use stickers. Now, I love stickers, but however, I don't have a lot of time for stickers. Now, what I mean is, if you see here, here's an example of people using stickers. So this is like a weekly format on this. This is like a little sticker book I got as a gift. That has various stickers in them, and this, I believe the person got it from Walmart. But this is what I want to show you. They block off time using stickers, and it's a very fun, it's a very colorful way to block off stickers. However, if you're a really busy person, like I work full-time outside of the home and also have a lot of other things going on. My husband has end-stage renal disease, and I also have a young daughter in school. So I don't have a lot of time to sit and, I don't want to make time to sit and try to find the perfect sticker to match what I'm doing that day and put it on my planner. However, I love stickers, just don't have much time for it. So what people do is they'll do that. They'll go and they'll find a sticker. Let's say it's they want to block time off to do laundry. So they'll find a sticker for laundry and then place it in their planner. And when they're done for the week, they'll have this beautiful spread of beautiful stickers and all that going across there. Now, I think that's great. Whatever floats your boat, do it. But the main object here is using a planner to block off time for your priorities. So you can never say again, well, I don't have time for that. Well, you maybe will have time if you block off time. Now, sometimes you don't really have time for doing what you need to do. And that's when the time comes to think about, okay, well, how can I get help? And is what I want to do really, really important? So maybe it's time to delegate it. Maybe it's time to put it off, that task, to another time when you have more free time. That could be an option. That is today's quick tip, which is to block off time for your priorities. And I hope you found this helpful. Please feel free to comment if you have some other suggestions on stress management. And if you are watching from YouTube, please be sure to click on the next button on the screen to see another planner video from myself. And I appreciate you watching.